Welcome to Packet Pilots. In today's session, we will enable BFD for static routing. In this lab, we have two routers connected with two point-to-point links. Behind each router is a test PC where we will run a test ping from. As you can see, there are no static routing present in the routing table yet, just the directly connected interface routes. Go to Edit Routing option Static to configure your route. In this example, we will create a default route out via link 1 or port GE0. Same will be configured on router 2. At this point, this will be enough to establish IP reachability between PC1 and PC2. Now we will configure a more specific static route and enable BFD. We will enable a minimum interval statement. This statement will include the single value for transmit and receive. The multiplier will be configured as 3. You can see on the PCAP that BFD session information packets are now being sent, sourcing from router 1 over link 2, whilst the ping is still going over link 1. BFD at this point will not activate the new static route yet, as there are no neighbor BFD packets received. As per output, only the default static route is still active. Now we will add the required routing on router 2. We will create a specific static route towards router 1 and enable BFD. On the PCAP, you will now see BFD packets being sent by router 2 as well. BDF is now transitioning into the init and up state. Shortly after, you can see the ping packet now going over link 2 or port GE2. The route is now active in the routing table. Now we will simulate a link failure on port GE2 and see what happens. Because BFD communication is broken now over link 2, BFD will be down state and the route will be inactive. The PCAP shows the ping is going over link 1 or port GE0 again. Now we will enable the link again. As per output, the static route with BFD is active again. So in this session, we have showed you how to enable BFD on a certain route. Keep in mind BFD is not a ping type tool, it needs to be configured on both ends of the devices. If it is down on the one end due to configuration, it will deactivate the route on the other end as well. Also always try to match the parameters on both ends, transmit intervals and multiplier etc. We hope you learned something today.